Definitely cold out here on the weather deck. The winds are picking up and there's snow on the way. It's going to make driving a little bit difficult later tonight. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that snow in sight. It's also red, not quite as cold ahead. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 27 today. So far it's made 25. That is now 8 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. Tomorrow you can expect heavier snow again to reappear by your morning commute, so it'll be difficult traveling. Add several extra minutes to your travel time. Cloudy skies the rest of the day, and then there'll be a little brief batch of snow that may come through for your evening commute. Temperatures will be getting close to the melting point, so the road should just be damp or slushy later on tomorrow. But there is a large area of some light to moderate snow already beginning to move into West Michigan, heaviest out over Lake Michigan, and that is going to spread inland. Look at this, visibility at 1.5 miles up in Green Bay, Wisconsin. It was down to 0.5 mile for a while there. Over in Milwaukee, getting a little bit darker now. A little bit of light snow earlier this afternoon, but the snow is now spreading across much of Oceana, also in Muskegon County, and here into Newaygo County around Fremont from our tower cam. Visibility is still about 10 miles at the airport there, but it will drop very quickly this evening. Similar conditions in Muskegon County down through Holland from our camera along the lakeshore. Live camera, you can see the visibility is dropping. It is now getting very low across Muskegon Lake there, and also down in southwestern lower Michigan, a little band of some light snow heading into the Kalamazoo area, although the visibility is still about 10 miles there. Not bad, but your visibility will be dropping considerably this evening as this low pressure system comes out of Canada, or out of Minnesota. This is called an Alberta Clipper. It does come from the Alberta province in Canada. It's going to be heading down to central Lake Michigan by tomorrow morning, so we may get a little bit of a brief break just after midnight, but it'll pick up towards tomorrow morning, and then that will move quickly to the east by tomorrow afternoon. Let's track it hour by hour, starting at the 7 o'clock hour. Notice the models are pretty much in line with the radar right now. It is very heavy across much of the region. It may have a little bit of a break up here toward 11 o'clock over the northwest counties, and then by 2 o'clock there's going to be a little bit of a break for a while, but as that low pressure system gets a little bit closer, here comes the snow again, just about everywhere from west to east, all across your traveling locations, and then by noon it is pretty much done. There's a little bit of narrow band of some light snow trying to come on through here around the middle to latter part of the afternoon, but certainly nothing what we will see here overnight and tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, a little burst of some snow moves right up the lakeshore. And then on Wednesday morning, it just pretty much comes to an end. We'll get a couple of breaks in the clouds, but all told, we're going to see enough snow to shovel and plow. How much? Only about 1/10 of an inch up to 7 o'clock, but by tomorrow morning, we've got a generous 2, maybe even as much as almost 3 inches in many locations. And by the time this is all done, Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, some spots could see up to 3 inches or more, especially from I-96 southward. Again, the majority of that will come tonight and tomorrow morning. Winter weather advisory until 11 o'clock for the highlighted counties there. Otherwise, 31 north to as warm as 37 south. Up north, you will expect just cloudy skies, maybe a couple of flurries tomorrow, around 29 to 32. And from Grand Rapids southward, it will snow in the morning and then it will reappear in the afternoon. Highs tomorrow right around 33 to 35 with wind chills in most areas in the mid-20s. So looking like this in downtown Grand Rapids from time to time with that west wind. Sun coming up now at 2 minutes before 8 o'clock. After the snow ends on the first day of February, we're going to see colder conditions because we're not going to get any warming from Lake Michigan. Mostly cloudy Thursday, a high of 20. Friday only 20 and up to 27 on Saturday, but at least a little sunshine. 13 on target forecast. A low to mid-30s Sunday and Monday of next week, and then another round of some snow starting next Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday as we cool off from the 30s back into the 20s.